Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am with a vlogger and taga Davao siya and first collab namon ni. And I am with Gwen. So we're doing the 10 minutes photo challenge.
Yeah.
So connected siya sa channel ni Gwen, yung ginawa namin na challenge, which is
Nag-ukay-ukay may 100
pesos budget challenge. And if you want to check them out, please go to Gwen's channel. It's Gwen
Link
Dassel.
down below.
So it will be linked down below. So without further ado, let's
get
jump.
started.
Hey guys, so mag-start na among challenge karon ni Gwen. Ang mechanics di ay kay 10 minutes each sa bua ang mag-picture. Kung gisuot na outfit kay motong okay naman sa channel ni Gwen. Ang nag-video day karon kay si Angelo.
Angelo Vincent.
Subscribe po sa iya guys.
Okay.
So karon guys, remaining minutes for it's 5:12. So 5 minutes and 12 seconds na lang and counting. So unfortunately, na sila sa akong likod guys. Tara. Naga photoshoot. So hope for the best. Yeah. So see you na lang later mga kawat-kawat. So ako na nag-take sa vlog and also sa timer. So yeah. Kumusta photographer?
Kanang maka-tense. Kanang maka-tense.
Okay guys, nauman ako 10 minutes so grabe. Pakaraton dito na challenge.
Makaratol na.
Oh.
Pero mahotan ka kuan.
Okay.
That's a wrap.
Hoy, ako atin.
It's your turn, Gwen.
Okay guys, so tapos na ako. Then sunod kay si Gwen. So ako ang
Wait ako, atay pa.
as you can
Guys,
see
wala ko'y laban. Pero okay na. Sige lang for the vlog. So
as you
yeah.
can see guys, ako ang PA karon. Yes, tanawa. So si Angelo ang videographer. Sige. Oh, actually kay naratol ko nag-shoot guys. My god, pinakapaspas na ko na shoot ever. And I hope lang mga shots kay ano, gwapo.
Sorry, good. Gwapo na lagi na.
Gwapo ba to? Dili, gwapo maganda tong
Gwapo na
model
na.
guys. So,
Yeah.
any
Galingan
angle,
sa model, no?
any
Uy,
angle will
gato,
do.
yagayag-garang.
Guys, so as of now, kay nagka-practice si Gwen sa camera. Kay dili pa siya. So, ito yung outfit ko na pang photoshoot. So, actually, ito yung naukay namin. So, if you want to see more of this, yung naukay namin ni Gwen, check her out on her channel. So, it will be down below. It will link down below. Okay guys, si Gwen na iyahan ng 10 minutes mag-start.
Laban na
Karon.
jutani na.
So, ako ang model. So, ang challenge na kuha kay. Dahil dili ko kabalo mag-post.
Laban
Dili
na.
ko use. So, then ako ang mag-timer. So, pies rami ni Gwen, di siya kabalo kayo mag-pick. So, ako, di ko kabalo mag-post.
So laban na.
Okay, let's go! Okay, 2 minutes na lang guys. And nalipot natin ng San Pedro.
Kay Bato daw. Three,
Okay, tama na.
1.
Okay.
Kapoy siya.
Gwen,
Mana.
Maname. Sige.
Nga ng shots. Abs, bawal ka mag-watch.
Ayaw ba kay dilib yung mga nindot?
So guys, that's all for today. And
thank you.
We enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
10
was
minutes.
fun and ulaw.
Challenging din. Kasi makaratol, di ba?
Yes, makaratol.
Mangita ng spot, tapos basta madami.
Ulaw po, kaya tao mo agi.
Nagtanaw magtanaw.
Napay
But-
na mixture.
Gani kay Gwen.
So,
But still, we made it 10-minute challenge. So if
So-
you want to check them out, I will link down below.
Yes.
And also check Gwen channel for the first video of this. So connected siya.
and our overall vlog.
And overall
Overall
vlog
vlog.
kay Angelo. So si
Tapos-
Angelo pala yung video sa amin kanina.
And a timer.
Comment down below for more challenges. Sa yung gusto ng
Gani.
challenge.
Yes!
And comment down below guys kung sa inyong critics, sa mga shots,
Yes.
sa mga posts, kung
Ayaw kong judge siya kay. Hindi ako expert.
yeah. So that's all for today. Please subscribe and like this video if you like this video, and comment down below your suggestions.
And, click the notification bell on
So
for
that you-
more
for more
videos.
videos. So that's all. See you then, and see you on my next one. Bye.
Bye, kawat-kawat.